You know, we always talk about making things simpler, having a little bit less stuff, a little less clutter. But just because we want to do that doesn't mean you can't have some luxury items. And one of the ways that we can all do that, let's replace the bath towels that we've sort of all kept a little too long for some luxurious and fabulous bath sheets, which are actually much bigger and longer than a normal bath towel. Like this gorgeous gray one from Frette or this phenomenal fluffy white one from Yves Saint Laurent. And when you replace the old bath towels with some beautiful bath sheets, you've kept a little bit of luxury, some wonderful richness, and that coziness, and you're not going to miss the mess in your linen closet.